Sitting here trying my new vegan snacks. This one is good. It's really good. It tastes like sweet peas. Pea crisp, I'm not a fan of. It's okay. It's just cardboard peas, pretty much. And then this tastes like cardboard at first, and then you get smacked with that Granny Smith apple taste. I don't know. It's gonna be a long month. Hey guys, I'm back at work and trying baked potato snacks. Sweet potato snacks. I tried the apple ones and I'm not that big of a fan. Nope. See, what the? These are something else. Like, they taste really weird at first, and then once you break it down, it tastes like sweet potatoes. And that's how the apples were. They were very cardboardy, and then once you chewed them so far, they were apples. It is day 5 of being a vegan, and I did not know that I was gonna struggle with things I'm struggling with. Like, I'm struggling more with honey. Like, I did not know everything I had in my house had honey in it. My vitamins, my hair vitamins and my daily vitamins have beeswax in them. Can't take those. All the barbecue that I own has honey in it because I love honey. Then I usually eat my oatmeal with honey instead of sugar. I'm gonna drink my tea with honey and not sugar. I'm okay with stevia, but I need to go buy some. I don't know. That's like really it with the honey. Like, I feel like honey. Oh, and I got honey butter, but I can't eat the butter in. So I think it's not even real butter. My honey butter is not real butter. It's processed something. I don't even think it's real butter because of the way it is, but it's got honey in it. Let's see. I really don't feel like I'm craving any meats. Like, I think when I thought about going vegetarian years ago, I never thought I could get past eating chicken. So I had always believed, okay, I'll just do pescatarian or whatever and just eat fish and chicken, which includes turkey too, because it's a bird, or whatever bird you're gonna eat, which lately has included pheasant, but I won't be eating that no more since I left South Dakota.